This is Hamza Sugar Mill, one of the busiest sugar mills in the world. On average, farmers are waiting 24 hours to get their trucks inside the sugar mill. Pakistan is amongst the top sugarcane producing countries in the world. 65% comes from Punjab, where Hamza Sugar Mill is. The trucks are then weighed inside one by one, then offered a price for their sugarcane. Sugarcane is an important cash crop of Pakistan. It helps farmers to gain income, especially in a time of low employment within the region. So people with some land will choose to grow this crop in this region as the sugar mill provides income for them. So what can we produce from sugarcane? We can produce brown sugar, white sugar, molasses, jaggery known as gur in Asia, syrups, sugarcane juice, rapadura, a sweet flour, rock candy from crystallized cane juice. So there's many things that we can produce just from sugarcane. Sugarcane can also produce dried filter cake, which is used as an animal food supplement, electricity production in some countries, ethanol, producing chemicals and fertilizers. If you found this informative and useful, please subscribe. Pakistan has established a strong base for the sugar industry with installed capacity of almost 6 million tons of sugar production per annum. Pakistan is the fourth largest sugar producer in the world. Sugarcane is the second most economically important crop of Pakistan after cotton. Let's have a look at a bird's eye view of Hamza Sugar Mill. The climate of Pakistan is favourable for sugarcane production in Punjab and Sindh provinces. A total of 89 sugar mills are operational in Pakistan, Hamza sugar mills being the largest. Almost 980,000 farmers were engaged with sugarcane cultivation in Pakistan, out of which 707,000 farmers work in Punjab. Farmers can sell the sugarcane, use it as food or use it as fodder for fertilization, making it a valuable crop. It's also used in many beverages as a sweetener. What other things can we produce from sugarcane? We can produce bagasse, which is a dry fibre. It is then put together as a small mountain of dry fibre so that they can use it for other things. It's used for several purposes, such as cardboard boxes, paper, paperboard products, and fuel for the boilers. If you found this informative and useful, please subscribe.